Hello, all, Ray Rider here for another review and demo from the Red Devil Assortment from TNT Fireworks. This time it's these things: Green Star Barrage and Silver Stars Barrage. Since they're pretty much the same thing with different colors, I'm just gonna only do one demo. Uh, this one you could already tell that yeah, this is gonna be a good one. It's probably a color pearl cake, but yeah, I don't know. Something's shaking up in here. But anyway, let's go pique my curiosity and see what exactly is in here. Yeah, it is. It's got loose, and it is pretty much a color pearl cake, since it is a 42 shot. I'll find a way to get this thing fixed and steady when I shoot this off. But yeah, let's go head up to the driveway and try this out. Okay, we're gonna do the Silver Star Barrage by TNT Fireworks, again from the Red Devil Assortment. Oh wow. Yep. No sound. Yeah. You know, that's not very good. Okay. I'll see you in the house. Okay, I changed my mind, and we're gonna do the other one, the green barrage. Okay, go ahead. Okay, well, once again, see you in the house. Okay, back in the house here, enjoying some raw hard root beer by Root Cellars. Yeah, this is that wasn't that bad at all. I mean, it's not good, but it's okay, okay at the best. I see better on a color pearl mini cake for $4. Probably that is worth a lot more, but I bet you that that those barrage cakes, whatever they are, will probably cost like $5 or $6 from TNT. Probably more. Who knows? Because I don't really shop at TNT. So, anyways, that is it for the two barrages. We got a few more left of the TNT Red Devil Assortment. We got about four more. Well, actually three, because I'm going to skip the Saturn missile since everyone's seen those. It's probably the same thing anyway, 100 shot. But anyway, you guys have a great day, and catch you guys later. Bye.